To determine if a number is even or odd, we use Python's modulus operator. By checking if a number modulo 2 equals 0, we can confirm it's even. Otherwise, it's odd. This foundational concept is crucial for building a program that efficiently checks any integer input for evenness or oddness. Understanding the mathematical foundation is key. Even numbers divide evenly by 2, while odd numbers leave a remainder. The challenge is automating this check. The solution lies in using Python's operators to determine divisibility by 2, aiming to create a reusable program for any integer input. Even numbers divide by 2 with 0 remainder, forming equal groups. Examples include 2, 4, 6. They end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, following n equals 2k. Odd numbers leave a remainder of 1, forming unequal groups. Examples are 1, 3, 5, ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, following n equals 2k plus 1. Numbers alternate between even and odd predictably. This pattern simplifies programmatic checks, ensuring reliability. For instance, 0 is even, 1 is odd, 2 is even, and so on. This alternation is a fundamental concept in programming, aiding in efficient algorithm design and data validation. Let's implement our understanding in Python. First, prompt the user for a number. Use the modulus operator, %, to determine the remainder when dividing by 2. If the remainder is 0, the number is even. If 1, it's odd. Finally, display the result to the user, confirming the number's parity. The modulus operator % is crucial for checking divisibility. It calculates the remainder of a division, essential for determining even or odd numbers. If a number modulo 2 equals 0, it's even, as it divides perfectly by 2. Conversely, if number modulo 2 equals 1, it's odd, leaving a remainder of 1. The basic even-odd checker in Python uses int of input to collect user input, converting it to an integer. The if-else statement determines the number's parity using the modulus operator. F-strings format the output, providing clear feedback. This code exemplifies input handling, conditional logic, and user interaction, foundational skills in programming. Enhance your even-odd checker by adding input validation to handle invalid entries gracefully. Implement a loop for continuous operation, allowing users to check multiple numbers without restarting. Include a clear exit option, like typing quit, to end the session. These improvements ensure robust error handling and a professional user experience. Begin by launching your preferred integrated development environment, like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. Create a new file and save it as even-oddchecker.py. This setup is crucial for organizing your code effectively. Add initial comments and a basic structure to guide your development process, ensuring clarity and efficiency as you build your project.